Hi, we're going to listen to a poem called 8 Balloons by Shel Silverstein from A Light in the Attic. Eight balloons no one was buying. All broke loose one afternoon. 8 balloons with strings a-flyin'. Free to do what they wanted to. One flew up to touch the sun. Pop! One thought highways might be fun. Pop! One took a nap in a cactus pile. Pop! One stayed to play with a careless child. Pop! One tried to taste some fryin' bacon. Pop! One fell in love with a porcupine. Pop! One looked close in a crocodile's mouth. Pop! One sat around till his air ran out. Whoosh! 8 balloons no one was buying. They broke loose and away they flew. Free to float and free to fly and free to pop where they wanted to. Bye. See you later.